Hi everyone, I'm Jason Barrows with jerryjamesstone.com. Today we're going to learn how to roll and make Icebox cookies. I'll show you a couple of quick tips to make that nice and easy. Icebox cookies are a great cookie recipe to have in your freezer or fridge for unexpected company or events. So the tools I like to make sure that I have when I'm going to form my cookies are empty paper towel holders. They can go into your recycle box, but they can also be saved for just this purpose. I have about 20 of them in my pantry, and they're great tools. I also have a ruler, a piece of wax paper, and that's all you need. So we're going to take our dough, we're going to place that right onto our piece of wax paper. Next thing I'm going to do is slightly elongate the dough into a long cylinder. So your hands will get a little dirty, but not too much. So you just want to kind of get yourself into a long skinny snake there. The next part is going to make sure that we have nice, uniform, smooth log of dough. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this side of our wax paper and fold that over. Next, we're going to take our ruler and we're going to place that right behind the cookie dough on top of the wax paper that we just folded over. Next step, we're going to then take our hand and hold the bottom layer of wax paper while we push forward on the cookie dough with the ruler. And what this is doing, as you see, is it's gently pushing out the dough out the sides, and you're getting a nice even distribution of dough. If you see any gaps, that means it's not quite touching the wax paper, and all you've got to do is just give it a couple more pushes. So once you've gotten your dough to the desired length and thickness and everything looks good, now you're going to just take your ruler away. So I'm going to roll my dough back up into the rest of the wax paper. All right, next we're going to put the cookie roll inside of the paper towel roll, just like that. The benefits of doing this is that your cookie will not get flat, and the paper towel roll will help give the cookie its curve. And you're just going to put this into your freezer for whenever you need it. You can store cookie dough in the freezer for about a month. I probably wouldn't go any longer than that, but a month is pretty good. And it's a really great tip for the holidays or any time that you have time to make cookies and you might not have time to make them later. All you need to do is just cut and bake them, and then you're all set. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. The benefits of the paper towel roll is it keeps the cookie from getting flat. It remains the